Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to dispute unauthorized transactions on Lendingclub. If you spotted a charge that you don't recognize on your Lendingclub account, well, don't panic. I'm going to guide you through how to dispute unauthorized transactions step by step. Let's get into it. Now, the first step is to review the transactions. So log into your Lendingclub app or on the website. And once you're in your dashboard, go to transactions under your check-ins, savings, or loan account. Now double check the merchant's name, date, and amount. Sometimes unfamiliar names are legitimate merchants just with different billing labels. So once you spotted that, the next thing to do is to lock your card. If it's your debit card transactions, you want to first immediately lock your card in the app to prevent further charges. Next is to contact Lendingclub support. Now in the app, you can tap help and support, or you can just call the number on the back of your card. Select dispute a transaction and then provide transactions details such as the date, amount, merchant name, and of course the reason why it's unauthorized. Next step is to submit documentations. Of course, this is if needed, but Lendingclub may request supporting information. Just provide screenshots, receipts, or proof that you didn't authorize the charge. Fifth step is the investigation period. Now, Lendingclub will begin investigating your claim, and a temporary credit may be issued while the case is reviewed. Second to the final step is to monitor updates. Now you need to check the messages or notification sections of the app for updates. Keep an eye on your account balances and your activities. Final step is to resolution. Now once the investigation is complete, Lendingclub will update you. So if valid, the unauthorized amount is going to be funded permanently. And that's how you dispute unauthorized transactions on Lendingclub. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to download account statements and loan documents, so stay tuned to that. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.